Hi, welcome to Python Pandas. Now this is the second video I am doing. So what is the cars.info? It is giving the how many keys are null, how many keys are not null, what is the data type of each and everything. It is going to show you. And now we are going to see cars.describe. Forgetting parenthesis. See, cars.describe is going to give you the things count, mean, standard deviation, some kind of information, standard deviation kind of information, the description of count, mean, standard, minimum, etc. values it is going to give. And I want to show you the sample 10, cars dot sample of 10. It is randomly picking the sample and it is showing. Okay. So now I want to view the size of the data set. Cars dot shape. 32 rows, 12 columns. That's what it is showing. Yeah, 32 by 12. So this data set is having some 32 number of the rows. Okay, so if we exclude the first one, we are having 32. Here it is showing 33 actually, but see here it is showing 33. If I exclude the name row, we are having only 32. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally 12 number of the columns it is having. Okay, it is showing. And then what I am going to see is what I am going to show is uh, location. So from the 17th to 23, cars dot location means the row number from the 17 to 23 it is going to display. So that is the purpose of location. In the same manner, cars dot loc comma mpg. Yeah, yeah. So cars dot loc 6 to 10 rows and the required number of the columns. Do you observe the difference between these two? Cars dot loc is showing only 17 to 23 rows, but here cars dot loc is showing 6 to 10 number of the rows along with the required specified number of the columns. Particularly specified here mpg, hp and vs, those number of the rows of the columns only it is going to show you. Okay, next we are going to see, I'm going to set the index. Cars dot set underscore index, I want to make the one of the column as the index column. For example, I want to make the index column as model. So for that we are having a function called pandas set index. Cars dot set underscore index model. Yeah, it set an index model like this. Okay, and cars dot max. So model, what are the values it is showing, which are the maximum values of that particular entire values of that particular column it is showing. Cars dot max means what are the maximum are there, maximum values it is showing. MPG 33.9, what is the maximum value of the MPG here? 33.9, that's value it is showing. Apart from that, no other value here. Okay, model is Volvo 1423. Alphabetical order, this is the large value, so that's what it is showing. And CYL 8 is the large value. Let us have a look on CYL. 8 is the maximum value in the CYL. And DISP, have a look in the DISP. In the DISP also, we are having 472 is the large value. Is there any larger value than 472? No. In the same manner, HP 335 and DR80 4.93. Like that, in each and every column, which one is the maximum existing value it is showing. That is the cars.max. And next what I am going to show you is cars.idmax.